Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel and part 2 of my double Huey build. So, quick update, I have made a lot more progress on the old Huey than on the new Huey, and I have to say, actually, side note here, the new Huey so far, the part fit and the cleanup on the new one is way more than on the old one. I don't know why it would be that way, but it is. I have a feeling it's because the molds are just being reused so many times that they've gotten messy over time. But so far, everything's going together on the old Huey pretty well, except for, as you can see, the seams. So I have been doing a lot of sanding and a lot of filling, getting these seams taken care of as best I can. I still got a lot more to do. I do have everything, I have everything masked off. So hopefully soon I will be ready to prime this thing, pre-shade this thing, and get the base coat color on it. As for the new Huey, I've got the interior done and detailed. I have the second part here, which took me forever to get this thing to go together right. There was just so many gaps and didn't want to fit. At first I thought maybe it was warped, but it was just really bad fit. So this is primed, and I'm gonna do some detailing on that and get that together, put it on top of this, and then also I need to finish the engine and rotor assembly on the newer one. And this here is just, I'm just trying to fit, and this one might actually be a little better than the old one, but so far I'm not impressed. So, you know, Revell, if you're listening, you know, get some new molds. This could be a really cool kit if it was just better designed. Or maybe I just need to get a better design kit. Anyways, it's still fun, having a great time doing this double build. It's a real fun build to be able to do. So yeah, so I'm gonna grab some paint, some glue, and several more sanding sticks and get back to the build. Okay, so progress. I've made lots of progress on the first dropper. Not as much on the second one. This is the newer one. This is the older one. I have done a lot. I've already started doing some detailing on this one. Now, I caught myself doing something I really didn't want to do. I caught myself kind of rushing things. And by doing so, I noticed a lot of extra seam lines that I didn't pay attention to, some detailing I'm not paying attention to, and I really don't want to do that on these builds. I really want to do some really good solid builds on these. So I think I'm going to slow down a little bit. I know I was kind of rushing because I wanted to, I want to get part 2 out, and that's great, but I don't want to do it at the cost of not doing as good of a job as I can on these kits. So I'm slowing down. I'm going to take some more time. This is part 2, so part 3 may come in a few weeks. I don't know. We're going to see how it goes. Again, I just don't want to rush it. I have some other builds I'm working on at the same time, so I'll have videos coming out for those. But as far as where we're at on this one, we've got this one almost complete. This one pretty much just needs the detailing, the weathering, some final assembly, pulling the masking off, touching up the areas where I might have goofed things up a little bit, and that's a big part of the fun of it. So this one's almost done. This one here, we've got the fuselage together finally. It's drying, it's primed. So that one, I'll be making a lot more progress on that, on this one in the next video, because I'll be doing my sanding and filling on the body to get everything nice and cleaned up. And then we'll get the rest of the parts getting together on that one and get it painted as well. I'm going to do a different kind of paint scheme on that one. It's still going to be the normal olive drab kind of era color of the chopper, but because it's going to be a gunship, I want it to be a little more dirty than this one maybe. Not sure exactly, but I'm going to put my own spin on it and see how it goes. So thanks for watching the video, everybody. I hope you like it. If you do, please give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe down below. And also, if you would like to get notified when I upload new content, please click the little bell down there and you'll get notified every time I upload new content. And I do try to upload still every other week. So far I've been doing really good on keeping that going, so that's what I'm shooting for. So again, thanks to all the new subscribers out there. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. So for part 2 of my double Huey build, this concludes that part. So again, everyone, be safe out there and go build something.